This is the marketing dashboard. This page can be found when you log in with an OSM, or you can click on the marketing tab here and it will take you to this page. This is a great place to come if you're looking to see your marketing organization's performance over the last week or from the months before. You can see KPIs at the top that show suspects, prospects, MQLs, or SQLs from the last week. We can tailor these to your stages that you're interested in, but we provide the ability to see how many of these stages you had last week. You can see we had 309 MQLs last week, and that hit about 25% of our monthly target. Now these targets can be adjusted when you go to admin, lead arrival targets. So now we're interested in these MQLs and who MQL'd. We can click on here and open a new tab, and we can see all of the MQLs by their name and also by the account that they're associated with. I'm going to close this out and we're going to look at other information on this page. So down below here you can see the actual MQLs or SQLs we had from this quarter. So we have the actual here, and you can also click on that to view those. But you can also see the forecasted amount that OSM provides. So we provide about 1,300 expected MQLs for this quarter. So now we have our target here that we set. So it's a little different. This is set by you, so you can do it based off the forecasted amount, or you can try to hit the targets that you set yourself. Below here, we also have panels to look at your performance over time. So looking at the different values throughout month and throughout the week to be able to see how many MQLs or SQLs we're having. We also provide the ability to look at the 12-month rolling average for the different stages. So we take the 12-month rolling average of these different stages to really smooth out the data and not allow one month to really influence what we're seeing here. So we can see in March we had about 14,000 leads, and then 424 MQLs and 115 SQLs, which led to 85 wins. We use these values below to look at the conversion rates. So we see about 3% of our leads became MQLs, and then 27% of our MQLs led to SQLs, and about 73% led to win from our SQL stage. We also look at leads to the different stages. So we see in March, about 3% of our leads became MQLs, just like before. And we can see from our lead to win, about 0.6 were tied with wins. This provides us the ability to see our conversion rates and be able to see how we're performing from getting leads to wins. And we can also see on this panel how our SQLs are performing year over year. We can see our SQLs are down in 2020, so we can toggle these off here. And I want to look at the MQLs and see how that's performing. So we also see our MQLs are down in 2020 from years prior. So this makes me want to ask more questions and dig deeper with an OSM. This is the marketing dashboard, and you can really dive into these questions in other pages with an OSM, which are described in other videos.